last HTML tutorial number 10. We're going to do a quick wrap up. Again, if you like it, give a like, give a subscribe. Um, so starting again, let's go back. We have our head tags, our title tag, and our body. Within our body, we're able to put our H tags, H1 through H6, and our paragraph text, images, all the content of our website. So here we have this over here. So our foundational information is here. Let's go real quick about text formatting. So again, if we do want to bring some of the formatting, we can always go style equals and do things such as text, align, center, and what we will get is that this text has been centered. We can also do style equals color red, and we'll see that it's changed to red. So those are some of the basic style tags which we talked about earlier. We also talked in HTML how we're able to add comments by basically this symbol right here followed by this. And what we've done there is we've actually taken out the paragraph text, and that's what a comment is. The other thing, guys, that we did talk about real quick is the image tag. So basically within an image tag, image source equals, and then we go to the destination of our image. So I don't have an image available, but this is basically the source code, and we would put it in there. I could probably just grab this image, place it in here, and what we'll see is that our image is generated. So that's basically the image tag, guys. It's very popular. You're going to be coming across it a lot. So style, image, comments, H1, H6. Let's go to talking about the href. So A for anchor, href equals, and then we have our link. This is basically to link documents, and there's our link going to our page. So that's the href, and then we also had ordered lists and unordered list. With the list item, we're able to go, as it populates number 1 over here, this is our first list item, and we will add that over here also. This is our first list item. So basically, guys, those are ordered lists. We can also do unordered list, which will just not number them. So let's add this, unordered list, and what you see here is change the ones to the little bubbles. That's pretty common. So with that being said, why don't we go into form creation, where we go form tag, and within here we are able to add our inputs. So input, and it will start to generate all of our text fields. We can do input style text, we can do input style, but that's basically for the form. Going from there, we have the iframe, which we went over in the last video, and basically that's going to allow us to put a website page within a website page. Again, this is pretty common. You're going to see it a lot. So you can see here's our little window. We can add well, in this case we're not connected, but basically this is how we would be able to add our website within our website if I loaded it up to the internet. Guys, that is HTML in a nutshell. I mean, if you've enjoyed these tutorials, give a like, give a subscribe, keep practicing. HTML is just opens a lot of doors. From here you can go to CSS, you can go to JavaScript, PHP, become full stack. The future with the web is just huge. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed these courses. Watch them as many times as you need. Get the information and mostly just practice and have fun while doing it. This stuff is supposed to be fun. If it's not, then why even learn it? So take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Stick around. I'm making a CSS tutorial, and then I'm going to make the JavaScript tutorial.